YouTube, and welcome back to yet another video. So today I do have another package from Luvme hair, so I will be installing this video and giving my review about this hair today. So of course it comes in the infamous purple box with the bow on it, and the bow does have elastic on it just in case you want to keep the box closed. I'm gonna sit that to the side. And then there is the bag with the wig in it. There's this translucent paper here. And there's also this packaging here. And before I open that bag, there's also, of course, the wig caps. So inside of the bag that they give you, you have their satin scarf wrap for like your edges or whatever. You have an elastic band to tighten your wig with. You got bobby pins, an edge brush, an edge comb, the Luvme hair clip. It's super cute. And some tweezers. Alright, so now let's get to this wig. And this is just a disclaimer. I did go ahead and open up the package before I did this video, but I just wanted to show y'all how the packaging came and what it looks like. So inside of the bag, there is the wig. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so here's the wig. They sent me over a 180% density wavy wig. It's giving me WaterWave vibes. So this is the lace that's on it. And this is what the inside of the wig cap looks like. It does have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. It has the adjustable bands that you can tighten up the wig with, and then it also has this band in it that makes the wig glueless as well. And the curls are popping, and I did go ahead and customize and bleach this unit. So as you can see, I don't see no knots. The parting looks good. Like, all right, so I am going to apply this wig on camera. It's going to be just a simple, easy install, and I'm going to use it as glueless. The only thing I'll be using to lay this wig down is my foam, my hair foam. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and tint this lace with my foundation color, and I will be using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and this is the palette RDF16, and I'll be using the lightest shade in this palette. And I just used my little e.l.f. brush to put that on the back of that lace and also on the front. Okay, so I got this cream foundation onto the lace, and this is what it looks like now. And now it matches my skin tone a whole lot better, like a whole lot better. All right, I forgot I had this bonnet on, y'all. So I do have this wig cap on, so all I'm gonna do is apply the same foundation to my bald cap, and I'm just going to slide it back some because I don't need it that far up. And this is a 4x4 closure wig, so you don't have to put makeup all over the entire cap, just where that closure is going to be laying at. So now I'm going to try the wig on for y'all. I have not tried it on yet, so I'm going to try it on. Okay. super easy. I have not worn a closure wig in about 2 years, literally. I'm always wearing frontals because they're my favorite. But I don't know, I think I'm starting to get back into these closure wigs a little bit. So this is what it's looking like on my head. Looks really good, it's blending good. All the above, these curls are really pretty. And I didn't wash this unit just because I wanted y'all to see what the curls look like straight out the packaging. So all I did was bleach the knots, I plucked it, and I only wet the closure. I tried to only wet the closure part of this wig because I wanted y'all to, you know, to get the full pic. And this is pretty long for 20 inches, y'all. Like, and I don't wear nothing shorter than 26 inches normally, but this is going right here. This is where it's stopping at. So to me, it may be a little bit longer than 20 inches. So because I am using foam this time around, I am gonna go ahead and cut off the extra lace. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. And then I'm gonna show y'all what I do. And please, when you're laying your closure wigs, make sure you're cutting off these thick tabs right here, because that's gonna make and break the way your wig lays. The foam that I'll be using today to lay this wig down with is my She Is Bomb Collection Fuse Foam, and it's really sticky. It works really well. So the first thing I'm gonna do, because I already know I want baby hair, I'm just gonna line up my part, make sure it is in the middle. And you can see this thing is very sturdy, so it won't go anywhere. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and cut these baby hairs down to about 1 inch or so. And then I'm going to use my 3/10 inch flat iron to curl these going upward. And I'm going to use my foam. I like to put it on the back of my hand just so I can have more control over it. get your baby hair laid, you want to take some more of the foam and I literally just put it all over the front part of that lace. So what we're gonna do now is just tie this down with an elastic band. Okay, y'all, so that's all dry, and you can see everything is laying down, looking melted. All I'm gonna do right now is just take my hot comb and kind of fix up these spots here. And then I'm gonna take some conditioner and water and spray it on the hair and just finger comb it so the puffy parts aren't that puffy. They're tamed. And I don't want to use a brush because I don't want the original curl pattern to come out. I'm trying to show y'all this hair in as natural as a state as I can. So this is the shedding I got so far. Okay, so this is the final look and I absolutely love this hair. It is amazing. It's so soft. I did get a little bit of shedding, but I can't really blame that on the hair company, and that's just because that I bleached the knots and I also plucked the hairline myself. So you know, of course that's going to cause some shedding, and it's curly hair too, so curly hair naturally sheds. But I absolutely love this hair. I'm going to give y'all a close-up. And again, all I used to lay this lace down was some mousse, and that is my She Is Bomb Collection diffuse foam. That's all I used. And y'all, look at his body. Like, I'm loving this. I have not worn a closure wig in forever, but I gotta say, it's growing on me. And its length, I actually like the length. I'm more of a 26-inch, 28-inch type girl, but I don't know. I'm kind of feeling this 20 a little bit. But yeah, this is how it came out, and it looks really, really good. Give y'all a close-up again of that lace that laid perfectly. So yeah, this is Luvme Hair's 4x4 20-inch WaterWave wig. You know, go purchase it, and you can also use my code to get an extra discount as well. So y'all, get into it. This looks so good, and this is glueless, so I can like lift it up and take it off whenever I want to. Like, nothing to it, and it looks real good. So thank y'all so much for watching, and until next time, bye.